Renting a pressure washer this weekend? These are the top 3 common mistakes we fix in Tallahassee. Mistake 1. Too much pressure on the wrong surface. Most rental washers go up to 3,000 pounds per square inch. That's fine for concrete, but aim it at wood, vinyl siding, or roof shingles, and you'll cause damage that costs more to fix than a professional wash ever would. Mistake 2. Skipping pre-treatment. Blasting algae without a cleaning solution just moves it around. It grows back in 30 to 60 days. Mistake 3. No safety gear. At 2,500 psi, water can cut through skin. We see lacerations, eye injuries, and slip falls every season from homeowners skipping basic protection. We've been doing this for years in Tallahassee. We have the right equipment, the right technique, and the right solutions for every surface. Get a free quote today. Skip the mistakes,